Buildium versus Yardi Voyager versus DoorLoop. Which software is the best? The task of searching for the perfect property management software for your business is not easy for real estate professionals. There are a plethora of things that you must search for throughout this process, mainly of which can be a headache to find. Also, since this kind of software can save you and your business so much time, it is vital that you really put the time into searching for the right one. This video is sponsored by DoorLoop, and I work at DoorLoop. Therefore, my opinions may be biased. In this property management software comparison, I will be reviewing 3 very powerful and very popular choices in the real estate industry. The choices are DoorLoop, Buildium, and Yardi Voyager. In this video, I will talk about the most important aspects of each of these choices and how they can be useful to your business. Make sure to stick around until the end, as I will be revealing our top pick for the best all-around rental property management software. Finding the best property management software. The very first step in finding the best property management software is to pinpoint exactly what you are looking for. Some of the most important things that you should be considering when searching for the perfect property management software products include features such as owner and tenant portals, online rent collection, expense tracking, accounting, software integration, features that allow you to track maintenance requests, pricing, and competition. Once you have these 3 aspects of any software well researched, you should be able to specify which one is the best choice for your business. In this video, I'll be discussing these characteristics to see how Buildium versus Yardi versus DoorLoop stack up to each other. And in the end, I will give our top choice. So to begin, let's go over some of the features that you would be getting if you go with one of these choices. Accounting features. One of the most important aspects of any property management software is the accounting suite that it offers. A good accounting suite is capable of rendering any third-party financial software useless. This makes it extremely important to find property management software that has a robust set of accounting tools. Buildium. With Buildium, you'll be granted access to a multitude of accounting features, such as online rent payments, various payment methods, payment tracking, and bank reconciliation. Yardi Voyager. Yardi provides a full accounting suite complete with all the tools you need to manage all of your property's financials. Some of the main functions of this accounting suite include managing payables, receivables, a full payment processing system, and the ability to generate income and expense reports. The entire system may be confusing to figure out at times. This is why Yardi systems provide various online webinars, documentation videos, and guides to help users get through it. DoorLoop. DoorLoop offers a very robust set of accounting tools that grant property managers to manage all financial aspects of their company. Some features include the ability to pay rent online, functionality for tracking income, and generation of professional online documents. DoorLoop has the best tools to even manage advanced setups. Also, DoorLoop conveniently integrates with QuickBooks, meaning you won't have to stop using your main solution. Tenant Portal. The Tenant Portal is a very useful feature that streamlines communication between the tenants and the property managers. Buildium. From within Buildium's Residence Center, tenants can pay rent, association, and other fees and view payment history. Tenants can also submit maintenance requests themselves and even attach photos via their smartphones. Then they can follow that maintenance request as it's assigned to a vendor and track it from beginning to completion. Yardi Voyager. Yardi Voyager also provides many useful features to keep their typical customers happy in a quick and efficient way. DoorLoop. DoorLoop offers a convenient portal where you can do everything from accepting rent payments and late fees online to accepting maintenance requests, communicating directly with tenants from the app, viewing payment history, and more. All of this can be done from any web-based desktop, Windows desktop, or Mac desktop. Communications. Another useful feature that comes standard with most property management software is some sort of communication aspect. These features allow easy communication between all the different parties, including property managers, property owners, and tenants. Buildium. Buildium offers similar communication features, including bulk emails to tenants, as well as physical letter service with easy mail. Yardi Voyager. Yardi Voyager also provides valuable communication features that allow for quick and easy communication between the tenant and property manager. DoorLoop. DoorLoop's property management software offers features to quickly and easily communicate directly with tenants. You send any information via email or SMS text messaging services. This means that you are not tied to only one method of communication with DoorLoop. Maintenance management. An essential aspect of successfully managing rental properties is keeping up with the maintenance. With good property management software, you can always manage maintenance requests needed on any of your rental properties. Buildium. In Buildium, you can create work orders, attach videos and documents, and send them to vendors, all from your smartphone or desktop. You can also get status updates for those work orders sent to your smartphone. And when orders are complete, you can pay vendors from right within the Buildium app, allowing you to keep everything in one convenient place. Yardi Voyager. Yardi Voyager's maintenance management features are pretty similar to Buildium's, including an automatic system for scheduling maintenance and the ability to pay vendors directly from the platform. DoorLoop. DoorLoop allows tenants to send in maintenance requests from the app and you to edit those work orders, assign them to vendors, get status requests, and even pay your vendors once the job is done, all from the app. Owner Portal. An owner portal, similar to a tenant portal, is a convenient feature that allows for seamless communication between the property managers and the owners. Buildium. Buildium offers many reporting features, giving owners access to a wide collection of reports and allowing them to print checks. Yardi Voyager. Some of the tools that Yardi Voyager's owner portal includes a variety of calculators, quick and easy onboarding, and report generation. DoorLoop. With DoorLoop, you can grant owners access to a variety of reports, as well as print checks directly from the app. Pricing. Now that we know all about the features that these selections provide, let's find out more about how much you would have to pay in order to gain access to them. Buildium pricing. Buildium pricing model, much like several property management software, is based on the features that you want. Their entire software is split up into 3 plans, from the cheapest one to the most expensive one: Essential, Growth, Premium. The Essential plan starts at $52 per month and offers a 14-day free trial. The Growth plan starts at $166 per month. Finally, the Premium plan starts at $479 per month, which is an extreme jump from the other plans. Yardi Voyager pricing. Yardi Voyager's pricing model is quite different in that it's not publicly listed. In order to find out about this software's pricing, you must directly contact the company and speak with the sales team. DoorLoop pricing. DoorLoop's starter plan is only $49 for up to 20 units. DoorLoop's Pro plan comes in at $99 per month, up to 20 units, and includes features such as owner portal, bank reconciliations, and custom website. The Premium plan comes in at just $149 for up to 20 units and includes features such as API access, website portal integration, free incoming ACH payments, Zapier integration, unlimited users, data storage, e-signatures, and VIP priority support. This pricing is ideal for either mixed portfolios or large enterprises because the savings only add up as you have more units. If pricing is one of the things that you are most interested in, you have come to the right place. Click the link in the description to schedule a free demo today to see what DoorLoop can do for you. Our pick. And the obvious choice is DoorLoop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more property management content. Also, don't forget to check out this video to learn more about DoorLoop. Thank you and have an amazing day.